Just taking a look at these Linn Nexus speakers. The tweeter on this one's playing softly. These are Meridian tweeters as well, replacements. The sponge foam inside has degraded, needs replacing. And we're going to take a look at this crossover, see what it's up to. Alright, now that I've got the drivers out here, we can take a look at them. This is the original Linn Nexus woofer. Oh, steel stamped basket. Nothing really to write home about. This is the Meridian tweeter that was fitted in there as replacements. Production date 24th of November 1988. Let's take a look inside. Brace construction. It's the crossover that's a bit difficult to remove, and the bracing that goes towards the base port then. Just checking the DC resistance on this tweeter, and it all seems good. Right, crossovers and tweeters all checked out. Unfortunately, it is one of the Meridian tweeters that is not working properly. Showing the correct DC resistance, but no output, or very low output. Very interesting. Okay.